Hi, my name is Cory from Steinbach, Manitoba. And Tested for Canada sent me this DEWALT 20-volt brushless impact driver, 1/4 inch. I've used it around the garage a bit, building little projects. I've used it to take tires off of the trailer, which it worked very well at. No complaints at all. Took them off without struggling too much. And it drives screws very nicely. The only thing I didn't like about the thing itself was the fact that it doesn't have a battery indicator on the drill itself, and also it doesn't come with the clip to hang it on your belt, which would be a nice feature to have for these impact drivers. The batteries are nice, they come off easy. It's a very light tool, very handy. I like that when you put the bit in, it clips in without having to pull it out. And it's very simple to get in and out, just like that. All the controls are nice and convenient places. There's room for a belt clip or a rafter hook. Very nice tool overall, very powerful. Would also be nice if you could select the power ratings, but I think you can't do that. I would definitely recommend this tool to my family and friends. It's a very nice, small, compact, fits good in the hand, balanced, good weight, very nice impact driver.